Hey, what up? How you doing? This will be my first YouTube video regarding, it's more like a project, Project Peso. All my investments, I would like to share it to everyone so that you can learn from my mistakes. And most probably you can track some of my good wins and keep away from my bad losses. Today is the 8th of April. It's a Wednesday. Yep. The headline for today is the ceasefire, the 2-week ceasefire by President Trump, POTUS. And today we'll be talking about how I'm down 88,397 and 36 pesos. Yep, that's how low my portfolio is right now. Once again, that's oops, going back. Well, that's for the good news later. It's not all bad news. So I'm down 88,397 and 36 cents. That's pesos for you. So mostly here's my biggest losers. Okay. Market value, total cost, the unrealized P&L or profit and loss. So the biggest is GMA7. So guess what? I bought this right around when I was starting investing. I think that was 2 or 3 years ago. Make it 4 or 5 years, not so sure. Time flies by fast. So I think it was around 10 pesos when I grabbed this. And then, no, it's actually more than that. You can see it here. It's 11.34. That's the average cost. I've been peso cost averaging down. Yeah, when it was around 5 pesos, I've been buying shares a bit and a bit. Well, because it's giving, or I think it already gave around an ample amount of dividend. I'm waiting for it to reflect on my file. So total market value, look, from 71,000, that's that was the money I invested in. Now its value is 37K. So I'm down 34,000, man. That's 47 or around 48%. It's a lot, yeah. But you could ask me why am I still smiling? If you ask me with the oil, the thing, macro economy or economics right now, there's inflation. Either we'll like it or not, there will be inflation. And in my opinion, the best tool wherein we can put our money in to at least be a hedge on inflation will be in stocks. Since we're Filipinos, we're talking about a PSE. And my second biggest loss, which is around 20,000, 398 and 75 cents. That's pesos once again, will be ACEN. Yep, by Ayala Corp. So my average cost on this one is around 3.57. Right now, I think it rallied a bit this week and a little bit last week, just because crude oil is getting high because just due to Iran closing the Strait of Hormuz. Well, renewables are getting higher. Their prices, that is. By the way, this was just right around. I've been buying peso cost averaging 2.5, 2.5. Now it's on a tree. Is it unfortunately just like GMA7? I bought this 4 or 5 years ago when I was just starting in, and right now I got a total market value of 103K. Supposedly it's 123K. Yep, I'm down 20K. But unlike GMA7, this one is not that high, not around 48%, but more or less just 16%. So I think that's good. Another mistake that I made, the third one, this was also around that time before, 4 or 5 years ago again. Union Bank. I think the time before Union Bank, I thought of putting it in back then because um, Citibank and Union Bank, or Union Bank did not acquire Citibank yet. So I believe Union Bank back then there were no bad loans. Their their numbers were really good up until they acquired Citibank. So and then there goes it went down. So current market value is 41K. Supposedly I invested right around 62K, down 20,372 and 32 cents pesos. Okay, that's my second worst loser at 33% next to GMA7. But Union Bank has been bouncing back. 24.5, I think. Yeah, I think I've been peso cost averaging on this one as well, around 2025. Yeah, just a month ago, just before the closure of the Strait of Hormuz. So I'm just hoping we can bounce back. Well, I did get some good dividends last month or this month. I'm not sure. And my latest mistake, though I don't think it's a mistake, I am still thinking that Metro Bank right now is pretty undervalued considering its dividend yield of more or less 7+%. Okay, if I just got more buying power right now, if I can rotate some of my money to Metro Bank, I will. Believe me. So current market value is 169K. Well, total investment that I put in is around 180. 2K. I'm down 13K. That's more or less 7% loss right there. Unrealized loss, by the way. So there you go. In total, I'm down, or if I'm going to close these positions, definitely I'll be losing 88,397 and 36 cents pesos. Now, that's a lot if you ask me. But now for the good news. For this year 2026, I am more on the dividend type of investing while finding value in each stock that I might see. So SPC, definitely one of the dividend kings when it comes to power, coal and stuff. Yep. Way back 12th of January, I received 2,736. On the 12th of January as well, I got a small position in C rate. I got 44.1 pesos. And February, the only the only dividend I received in February was with RFM. That's 400 pesos and 63 cents. And in March, it's a lot, man. It was raining around March. Yo, PSE, thank you. So RCR, that's 630 pesos and 50 cents. Globe, that's 112 pesos and 50 cents. LTG, yep, Lushutan Group, 162 pesos. Ali, oh, I think this was a bad move on my end. I don't know why I bought Ali, but I still got 63 pesos and 34 cents from them. This is the one I was talking about earlier. I received dividend, so that was last month from Union Bank. That's 1,530 pesos. By the way, I had a position with nickel, though I sold it already. I received from them 163 pesos and 80 cents. All right, and Emery, I think I still have this position. I received right around 1,335 pesos and 13 cents from them. And my biggest position, yep, the king of PSE, ICT, Enrique Razon. You the man, bro. Just a measly 2% dividend yield, but I tell you, the way it's robust when it comes to capital appreciation, the next couple of months, several months, we'll never know. I received 5,944 pesos and 5 cents. Thank you, ICT. And going back, Metro Bank, I'm on the red, but as much I got 4,410 pesos. Okay, so that's a total of more or less 17,572 pesos for you. And we're still in the first quarter, I think, of 2026. So I say everyone right here, right now, if you want to hedge your money to inflation, if you don't have time for business, if you don't have time to manage a condo, do Airbnb. You can buy REITs, you can buy companies, you can buy precious gold, just like metals, Apex. Apex just, whew, I think it flew earlier. So that's it for now. Thank you for listening and see you next time. All right.